Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to do a chain stitch today. If you're not sure how to start off doing a slip knot, then I've got previous videos to show you how to do that. I also do videos for left-handed and right-handed people, so take a look on my playlist or on my channel and you'll see all them coming through. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, which if you need to know how to do one of these, check one of my previous videos. And if you're not sure how to hold your yarn and your hook, I've also got a video for that. So we're going to start with a slip knot, and then for the chain stitch you need to pull your tail end down so you've got a clear view of the hole there, and you're just going to yarn over your hook, bring your hook, twist it as you come through, and you're going to pop it through that little gap that we've just made by pulling it down. If you don't pull that down properly, then that's where you can have issues. So if it's too loose, you can struggle getting it through. If it's too tight, then again you can struggle. So it's all about your tension and how much you're pulling this down to get through the loop. So we're going to show you it again. We're going to go yarn over and then just guiding it through that gap. And then as you pull it out, pull your hook out slightly to make that loop a bit bigger. And that way your tension's not going to be too tight on these stitches, because most of the time you need to crochet back into these stitches for a lot of the work that you're going to be doing. So one more time, yarn over your hook, pull through, just guiding it through, and then pull it out slightly so you get a bigger loop. And again, so your stitches are a bit looser. If you pull it out too tightly, too much, then you will get really loose stitches. So you just need it enough so that you can get your hook through the loop. And that's how you do a chain stitch. And then after a while it becomes muscle memory and you can just chain stitch away. So have fun creating, and I'll see you next time. If you've enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe here to get alerts whenever I do a new video. You've got a beginners playlist with all my beginners videos there and my latest videos in this one. Thanks a lot. Bye.